Yeah, so you're learning about the slope-intercept form. What? And I'm trying to make a video for someone. It's awkward because it feels like I'm talking to myself. Anyway, so you're learning about the slope-intercept form. This is the intercept form that you're trying to learn about y equals mx plus b, where the y and the x are both like intercepts, and m is the slope, which is rise over run, and b is, it's supposed to say y-intercept. Just ignore that. I should fix that. I should fix that.
And when we didn't, we were no-shows. Moving in on her spiral. I haven't actually seen Chrissy with a guy online. Again, with the
I'm gonna fix that.
I'm gonna go do a drive-by. There is no liquor on this card.
Who would make up plum surprise?
This should be black.
You're gonna do
That is a y. Okay. So the b is the y-intercept, which is the point that you start out when you're graphing. So this is your equation that you have right here. Y equals 2 over 3x plus 1. Well, 2/3 over x plus 1. What you have to do, like first when you have an equation like this, you have to first make sure that the y is on one side of the equation, which it is, and that it has no coefficients, meaning that there's no number in front of the y, which there aren't, so you got a pretty simple equation right here. So then what you do next is you graph the b, you graph the y-intercept. And how you do that, you go over here to your graph, which I've already graphed for you, and so you graph the y-intercept first, so which is shown by the green point, and you graph it like you would graph any normal point. Since it is a y-intercept, x is 0 and y is 1, so you graph 0 up and then 1 to the right, so that's your first point. And the way that you get your second point is you use the slope, which is the rise over run. So rise is the 2, so you would go up 2 and over 3. 1, 2, 3, which gives you this point, 4, 2. Oops. 4, 2, where the x is 4 and y is 2. And then after you've graphed those 2 points, you can draw a line through it, and you have your graph. Yeah. Sometimes it gets more complicated if you have like a coefficient in front of the y, and like sometimes the x could be over on this side, but for right now you have a pretty simple equation, and that's how you graph using the y-intercept form.